Oui. Coucou, bonne soirée. Hello everybody. I hope you have a nice week. Mine is not that good, but I've decided to make some things nice today. So I went out with a friend. I'm in his apartment right now, and we went to the library and some place else, and then we went to it's called Le Café des Chats, the cat cafe, and that's a place where there are very nice cat, but a lot of people too that want to touch and to be with the cats. So we don't have all the chance, but it was nice. So I'm going to have a nice evening with a friend here, and then I'll go home and maybe make a little video later. I am back home. I had a good time with my friend, which is he was my ex-roommate. So that's who I was living with before, and he was once my boyfriend too. So that's a bit strange, but we stayed friends. And the thing is also is when I met him, he was living far away from Montreal, and I was the one to suggest him that he might love to come here because of what he was studying for. And I just thought that the biggest city was also a biggest chance for him to succeed in life. Now about my own life and my own work, that doesn't work at all. I'm going to lose my job, and well, it's something that I was sure what was going to happen, so I'm not surprised, but it was something that I was waiting and pushing back, because I don't think I'm ready to go back at work, in a job. I'm in a very low moment in my life right now, about the depression and being with the obsession too, and anxiety. So it's not going to be. I need some time for myself, and I think I will take this moment right now. I don't have a choice. Plus, with all the health problem with with my shoulder and my back, I think I need time for taking care of myself with my body and my soul. So I think I'm going to do that, even though that having no job is very stressful to me. So I'll do my best. I try to save my money the best I can and work it out. I'm going to stay positive, even though that I don't feel like it. But this is life, and so yeah, this is what is new with me. I had a very bad moment with self-harm recently because of all the stress, the obsessions and all. It was very tense, so I'm taking care of that too. And yeah, anyway, I will be back with a new video soon, I guess, because I need to explain this for myself and to maybe help some other people to feel less alone about it. But until now, I'm going to edit this video to eat because I'm hungry, and that's it. So I hope that you will all have a nice Friday and a nice weekend if I don't make another video until then. Have good times. Bye.